Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to watch Netflix with VPN in a different country or region. So currently we have the South African Netflix, and in order to watch Netflix from a different region, we just need to open our ExpressVPN. So you might have to download ExpressVPN for yourself, and currently we're in the South African location. In order to do this, we need to turn it off, select a new location. So say we want to find ourselves in France. So we're going to select France, and now we have selected location as France, and then we're going to turn it on. So we're currently in Marseille in France, and we can simply refresh this page. We're going to type in the address again, and now we're currently reading 599 euros because we're in France. And if you look at the web address, you can see French as an extension of the website Netflix. So this can be applied in any country. You just need to have your ExpressVPN or any other VPN service you might wish to have on your computer, and you can watch Netflix in any country.